Well, good morning. Williams, Philippines. It's about 8:40 in the a.m. Trying to get this done and get to bed. It's cold outside, and all I want to do is get some sleep. Excuse me. All I want to do is get some sleep today. Uh, I did manage to get the replacement encasement for my SSD drive in. I'll probably carry that to work with me, assemble it tonight, and test it out tomorrow when I get home. We're supposed to have a chance of snow today, so oh yay. Light. At least it's supposed to be. But this being Texas Panhandle, I'll believe it when I see it. If we get rain, yay, or snow, yay. If we don't, yay. How much, is again a question. It just is what it is. We get sometimes weird weather around here. Supposed to stay below freezing. It went there last night, and it's supposed to stay there until basically Tuesday afternoon. Yeah. Welcome to a nice, cool weekend. Uh, yeah, fun stuff. Uh, yeah, I'm tired. Anyway, the prices went up a little bit. If I drop back a week, I could save $130. I don't know. I'd make a little more money, but I want to get out of here. None of us are guaranteed tomorrow, and I'm ready to go. Uh, yeah, the Philippines is calling me. Or maybe it's just the fish. Yeah. And I saw that Filipina P did the one with her dad out fishing. And oh, I so want that little boat. Hell, I'd even be glad to have the fishing tackle. I think I'll go with a rod and reel, though. I'm more used to that. But hey, it is what it is. Of course, now that's kind of a stay close to the beach kind of a boat, but hey, it can get real deep real quick over there. And yeah, I don't know. Would I have to get another license for a marine band to carry a radio with me out there so in case the tide took me away or the current took me away, I could call somebody? I don't know. Have to check into that. Uh, yeah, I could definitely enjoy a boat like that. Go out and have fun. Yeah. Anyway, I'm sorry. I'm a bit distracted and tired. Didn't get near as much sleep as I wanted to. The door kept getting knocked on, and between the mailman, the Amazon people, and the neighbors, and then the neighbors across the street, I didn't get much sleep. That's the hazard of sleeping during the day and everybody else is, yeah, awake during the day when I'm trying to sleep, and they're asleep when I'm trying to be awake. I don't know about you, but yeah. It's hard on the body. And I really do want to go to sleep. So, yeah, short one here today. Anyway, yeah, I'm staggering here mentally. I need sleep. Anyway, oh, donate blood. Yeah, people juice. I think I'm up for that here sometime mid month. I'm not positive. I'll have to check that. It's a good thing to help people that way, you know. I really don't like the idea of it going to the Red Cross and such, because the Red Cross charges people for what you give them, but they're the way people get blood here in the US at least. So, yeah, it's helpful that way. I don't know. I may try to just do uh, this is my last one and then swap over and start doing plasma again. I don't know. Uh, both of them help people. So, yeah. I'm going to go to bed now. It's been too long of a weekend for me. I didn't get enough sleep yesterday, and I'm going to get some sleep today. So, I hope you have a blessed weekend. Lots of food, friends, and family. I'm William Williams, Philippines, and hey, I'm Fish. Fish is out.